for to their legal opinion, and the order has not changed. The order is still bring the president to the plane that will bring him to the Hague.
So yung Article 59, hindi ninyo alam yon. Sa madaling sabi.
I know that it is a legal question, ma'am. That's why I refer it to the DOJ. That's something that I will not decide upon.
I don't see you referring to anyone. Nakita ko talagang sabi nga ninyo, diskarte na ninyo yun. Kasi nandun ka, ikaw yung lead officer. Eh di dapat desisyonan mo na. Eh wala ka namang sinasabi doon na talagang i-refer mo na natin sa DOJ. Hindi ka naman huminto ng gano'n. Basta tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Parang binaliwala mo ngayon. Sabi nga Article 59. Bakit gano'n?
There's no change in order at that time, ma'am. So the mission is still the same. Bring the president to the Hague through
Madam
that
Chair.
plane.
Yes, Senator Bato, please.
He has been telling all the time, telling this committee that the order did not change. Kaya nga, ilaklaro ko dito, yung order na yan, galing kay Chief PNP. No? Nadali talaga sa Daig. Did it ever cross your mind na mag-isip-isip ka? Itong order na ito, legal na ito. Am I not violating any provision of the Constitution yung ginagawa ko ito?